Welcome to video 3 of our regulatory impact analysis training videos. In this video, we will go over step 3, which is to estimate the fiscal impacts to the 5 different parties. So let's go back to the Word document we've been working on in steps 1 and 2, and we'll start here. So in step 2, we found the count of affected individuals in each of the affected parties. For small business, using DWS Firm Finder, we found there are 104 small business food truck companies in the state of Utah. And going back to our proposed rule, the proposed rule is that local food truck license fees will decrease $1,000 in the next fiscal year and remain the same rate every year thereafter. So to calculate the impact, the fiscal impact to small business in Utah, all we need to do in this example is multiply 104. There are 104 small business food truck companies in the state. So 104 times the $1,000, because they will all be paying $1,000 less for their food truck license. And so that comes to a direct fiscal benefit of $104,000. And we'll do the same now for non-small business. We'll use the count we found in step 2. There was one non-small business food truck company. So we'll do 1 times the $1,000, the decrease. And so our non-small business food truck company will experience a direct fiscal benefit of $1,000. Let's see, $1,000. Okay, how about our local governments? So our local governments will be losing $1,000 per food truck company when they go to renew or obtain a food truck license. And so in this case, we are going to multiply 105, because there are 105 registered food truck companies in Utah, times the $1,000. And that tells us that local governments in the state will experience an indirect fiscal cost of $105,000. So now let's estimate the impact to other individuals. In step 2, we characterize the impacts to food truck customers and food truck employees as inestimable. So in this case, we won't be able to estimate a fiscal impact to these two groups, because food truck customers, we are not sure when or if food truck companies will be passing on those savings to their food truck customers in the form of lower prices for the meals the food trucks provide. And we are not sure when or if or how much food truck companies will be passing on those savings to food truck employees in the form of higher wages. So we are just recognizing that these two groups may experience indirect fiscal benefits, but we are not sure how much benefit they will be receiving. Okay, so that is everything for step 3 of our analysis. We estimated the fiscal impacts to small and non-small business, to local governments and other individuals. We didn't include state government in our analysis because we didn't identify an impact to state government earlier on. In our next video, we will be going over step 4, which is to record the required information. We will be taking all of this information that we've compiled so far and putting it into paragraph form to submit to the eRule system.